Diabetes is a very common condition worldwide, afflicting millions of people. There are two kinds of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, that usually occurs at a younger age, and type 2 diabetes, that is seen now with the burgeoning epidemic of obesity burgeoning in our country as well as many countries, including developing countries. In essence, diabetes is due to a deficiency of the hormone insulin that regulates blood sugar levels, blood glucose levels. Sometimes there isn't a deficiency of insulin. The pancreas, the gland in the body that makes insulin, is still making insulin, but the insulin is not having its desired effect on the receptors, on the end organs. And this condition is called insulin resistance. And it's very common in people who have obesity. There are a number of drugs that can be used to treat diabetes, prescription drugs. Many of them are insulins. So the body's pancreas is not making enough insulin. We are giving the patient exogenous administration of insulin, often as an injection, sometimes as a pump. The common prescription insulins are Humulin and Lantus. And then for type 2 diabetes, we often use prescription medications in the form of pills. And they include Amaryl, Avandia, Glucophage, but we also have to sometimes use prescription insulins such as Humulin.